Hey guys, got this kerosene lantern here from Walmart. I'm gonna check it out. I have no idea how this thing works, so maybe you can join me and we'll figure this out together. So Stansport makes it. They call this a hurricane lantern. And there's the fill line for the kerosene. What I did too, looks like it comes with a wick. I did buy some extra wicks here. These were like $1.50. I think the lantern was about 10 bucks, and then this kerosene was about 7 or 8 bucks. So I'll go ahead and open this up, see if we can get it to work. Okay, it took me a second, but to get the directions out here, this is kind of spring loaded. So you just pull up on this top here, and then pull these out of there. So that might be how you light it too. Let's check out the directions. Okay, this is for outdoor use only. Here's the different parts on it: the filler cap, the wick regulator, lever. All right, this is pretty slick. I actually bought these long reach matches to light this thing. What you do is you press up on this lever, and it lifts that thing up, so you can just light it right there, and then bring it back down. I can smell that kerosene. It smells good, actually. There's the cap. Funnel's clean. Okay, now all I gotta do is just press this lever down, lock it into position, right there. I'll go ahead and light it. Lower this here first, lower the wick down, and then close that baby. Oh, that's nice. Oh yeah, that thing's sweet. All right, let's go take a look at it outside. Yeah, you can really smell that burning kerosene. So you definitely don't want to use this indoors. You're gonna get a lot of byproduct on that. But yeah, this thing's sweet. You can hang it. It's got a little thing here. Ooh, that is kicking out some heat. That's nice. So this about right here. Yeah, a good hand warmer right there. In wintertime, that would be real nice. Oh yeah, that's real nice. Puts out lots of good light too. That handle here is really nice for carrying it too. Try to grab it by that. It's really hot right now. All right, guys, don't make the mistake that I did. You're supposed to just lift that lever back up and blow out the flame. So now I actually got to go retrieve this this wick here, which isn't that big of a deal. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and put this thing back in there. All right, to get this off and to change the wick, you're going to want to lift this up. Just put your hand, this hand there, lift that up, and then slide your glass that way. The glass just comes right out. Now you have full access to the wick down there. You know, if you want to change it out, you can actually just pull it all the way out, or just walk it back down like I showed you. And slide the glass back on there, lift up on this. Okay, we'll go ahead and light this baby one more time. I'll just kind of show you. So, real quick, light it, and then we'll put it out again. So lift that up so you can have access from under there. We'll quickly ramp it down. You can see we've got lots of black smoke coming out of the top of there, so that's kind of why also you don't want to use it inside. Now we're in business using the thing. Smokes quite a bit. See that? That's what you get until you turn it way down. It'll kind of quit smoking. It'll burn a little bit cleaner. Not as much smoke coming out the top. Okay, now to turn the thing out, just lift this back up. Again, just another warning. This gets really hot up here in a hurry. Just thin metal. So always use this if you can. All right, hope you enjoyed this. Hope it helps you out. And thanks for watching.